They got what they call, I was like, man, it's like curly top without the curls. I couldn't remember what that's called, ginger.
That's urban gloss.
Yeah, okay. We got ginger in the building, y'all, 5.0.
Oh, I like this big
Damn.
I like this big raggedy motherfucker over here.
Oh. Ginger do got the we in Dallas, Texas at Yello Belly. Y'all make sure y'all check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Against a fox body. Look like a little young dude in there driving too. Yeah, you don't like betting with foxes?
No, I do. I said I always bet with foxes.
Yeah, man.
This driver looks kind of new, so.
Yeah, that driver new, man. He a little skinny little dude, man. I ain't never seen him before. He might not know what he doing. Yeah, he don't know what he doing. I don't think. He might not know when to leave at the light.
Right.
Hey, man, I give you all money. I'll take this side, you take the other side. Steve Harvey driving this Mustang.
That can also fuck a driver up though too if you got too many people trying to coach while you're backing up.
Yeah. I'd have seen that happen.
Yeah.
Remember that happened to Blackjack?
Yeah, oh yeah. You put a video up on that.
Yeah. Yeah, but he had everybody backing him up. Yeah. They was pull up, back up, pull up, turn the wheel, cut it. Turn, God
people
damn.
Real bad.
Then he spin.
Yeah.
Duh.
Yeah, and whose fault is that now?
Y'all thought he was finna hook?
Yeah.
I'll take the 04, y'all. I'm going against the fox body. Oh, it's a stick too. There we go. Oh man. Embarrassing. Embarrassing. He took off and left hard on him. Hey man, you look cold. I got them Lookout Racing hoodies in there.
Oh, yeah?
What size you need? Medium?
No, not a,
Extra large?
no, not a,
I'm out of large, man.
no.
Nah, I'm out of large. I'm gonna come back and find you when I get them larges. You need a beanie? I got the beanie. Your ears look cold, yeah. Yeah, you got cold ears, man. Give me 15, man. That's a good deal. It's quality. Yeah. Yeah, you gonna be good with that, man.
You say $10?
Nah, 15. I ain't say 10. I ain't say 10. I knew you was an English speaking mob.
You want 5?
I got 30.
You want 5?
Yeah. Do I got 5?
$20.
Okay, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Hell yeah, that's my boy. He done gave me a tip, y'all.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you, man. Yeah, man, that's my boy, man. Yeah, I'm glad they showing love, man. Let me see. He gonna say, you say $10? No, motherfucker. I ain't say no 10. Oh, man. I love all my Mexican homeboys that be up here, boy. They be having me laughing. You say $10. You know, goddamn well I said 15. Oh, man. That's how they got us. It's better than, oh, shit, man. Then gave me a $5 tip. Yeah, he gave me a $5 tip. He was bullshitting. He gave me 20, y'all. Okay. Yeah, that's my boy, man. He jewed me down, then tipped me. Let me see. Oh, I need to holler at him. Oh, yeah, I got to get him one, too, y'all. Make sure y'all like, share, follow, subscribe, do something. Check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. What my YouTubers been talking about? Oh, it do work. At first, my messages wasn't working, y'all. Did you keep getting Elvis passes? No, I ain't seen Elvis. Somebody from Argentina. What's up with it? What time is it over there? Man, I got somebody from Argentina watching, man. Badass, man. Damn.